In this segment, I'm going to show you my way, anyway, of trying to organize the glass. And I must say, it gets out of hand a lot of times, too. I try to get all the glass that maybe has green in it, different colors of green and so on, like this, and put them in a box. I save shoe boxes, and that way I can keep them. And these are a box of yellow and orange and so on. And this is whites and clears that I might use in different things. Sometimes you might find a whole piece of glass like this with just a piece out that for some reason whoever had it didn't want it, or the same thing with the green. I've just lucked into finding some. Then if I'm going to use that nippers I showed you before, this right here, to make small pieces, I put them into something where I'm using, and I'll show you later, in a piece that I'm making. And so I'll get maybe one color. Well, this is where it gets out of hand. I start putting in one color, and then all of a sudden I've got a bunch of colors. But it still is easier to use that way, as far as I'm concerned. Sometimes I get a big bunch of glass like this from somebody that from maybe a stained glass artist that I got it from. And it's just pretty difficult to organize. And sometimes I just kind of prowl through here to see which glass may be suitable for what I'm doing. And if I find some bigger pieces, I might put it in there like that's a green piece and so on. And if I come across it, I'll put it in the right place. But some of this stuff isn't organized as great as I would like to, but it's very time-consuming to do that, depending on how you buy it. Now, there are some stores that will... The one I go to very often has a whole cabinet of different kinds of scraps that she saved, and she sells it by the pound, which is really nice. So I pick out the different colors I want and bring them home.